Mari sebelum belajar kita berdoa kepada Allah Subhanahu wa taala. Berdoa dimulai. Selesai.
Okay, please sit down. Thank you. So, now I want to read attendance list. Whoever name call, please raise your hand. Yeah?
Ya.
Aim,
Yes, Miss.
Aa,
Yes, Miss.
Ainun, Didungkap. Before we get to the lesson, I will ask you about last week lesson about making interrogative question for past event. So the question is, did you study last night?
Yes.
I did.
All of you understand about last weekend lesson? So now we get into our lesson today is making WH question for past event. W word plus did plus S plus
Oh.
for terus question mark. So the example is, what did you eat yesterday? Where wordnya ini adalah what? Terus did. Terus you. Plus verbnya eat.
Yesterday.
Yesterday. What did you eat yesterday? Nah,
And it.
terus the second example is, where did you go last weekend? Where did plus did plus
Go.
you. From this example, any question? Okay, what is your question?
Can I combine two questions into one? For example, where do you live and what do you do?
Oke, can combine two question. Bisa nggak kita menggabungkan dua pertanyaan dalam satu pertanyaan? Ngerti kan?
Ya.
Kayaknya langsung diutarakan semuanya. Jawabannya adalah you can. Kamu bisa. Ya, you can combine two question, but with conjunction section conjunction and. Ya, tapi harus disertai dengan and. Kayak misalnya, where did you go apa tadi? Where did?
Where
Yeah.
do you live and what do you do?
Where do you live? What do you live? And what do you do? Ya, dia harus ada and ya. Setelah pertanyaan satu, di tengah-tengahnya harus ada and. So, this sentence contain two questions at once, but it is still clear. So now we are going to play a fun game. I have card with WH question and card with answer. Yeah, your job is to find the correct match. Yeah. After this, I will give you the example, the question and the answer, and you must find your match. Okay. Now there is two groups. The question group and the answer. Okay, now the rules is you must find your answer and you must find your question. So now up your question and your answer. And you must look carefully. Ya, look carefully and dicari pasangannya. Ya. Terus udah siap?
Ya.
Start from now. Okay, let's check together. Did everyone find the correct match? Apakah dapat semuanya pasangan yang benar?
Yeah.
A question goes with, where did you you spend your last holiday? Okay. And the answer is yeah. Speak.
I spent it in Yogyakarta.
I spent it in Yogyakarta. And now, great job everyone. Today you learn about how to ask and answer about past event using WH question. So remember we use WH question plus adjective plus subject plus